Are you really going to risk scratching your shiny new iPhone 16 with a cheap case? Well, hold on, because today I'm about to show you the absolute best iPhone 16 cases that combine style, protection, and comfort. Trust me, your phone will thank you later. Let's face it, your iPhone 16 is probably one of the most expensive gadgets you own, so why not protect it with a case that's just as premium? Whether you're someone who's all about the aesthetics, or you're more concerned about maximum protection, I've got the perfect case for you. And yes, some of them are pretty affordable too. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. All right, picture this. You've just unboxed your iPhone 16. That sleek glass back, those polished edges, and oh, the futuristic camera bump. It's beautiful, right? But here's the nightmare scenario. A single drop and boom, a crack that will cost you an arm and a leg to fix. Ouch. So the mission today is simple. Find the best iPhone 16 cases that'll keep your phone looking pristine while turning heads at the same time. And luckily for you, I've scoured the market to bring you the top picks. Ready? Let's dive in. Case number 1, the slim but strong choice, Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Let's kick it off with something slim, sleek, and practical. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid is perfect if you want protection without the bulk. It's transparent, so you can show off that iPhone logo, while the shock-absorbing bumper keeps your phone safe from those accidental drops. It's kind of like wearing a bulletproof vest, but make it fashion. Case number 2, rugged protection, OtterBox Defender series. Next up, for all my clumsy friends out there, I present the OtterBox Defender series. This one is like a tank for your phone. It's got multiple layers of protection, making sure that even if your phone takes a tumble down a flight of stairs, it'll survive unscathed. It's heavy duty, but sometimes that's exactly what you need. Case number 3, EcoFriendly and Stylish. Pella case. Want to save the planet and your iPhone? Check out the Pella case. This one's made from compostable materials, so it's great for the environment and your phone. Plus, they come in super cute designs. It's like wearing a designer outfit, but for your phone, and Mother Nature approves. Case number 4, luxury look, Nomad Modern Leather Case. Feeling fancy? The Nomad Modern Leather Case is for you. Made with high-quality leather that ages beautifully over time, this case screams sophistication. It's the kind of case you take to meetings when you want people to know you mean business and that you have great taste. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what if I don't want to spend a fortune on a case? Don't worry, I got you. There are plenty of affordable options that still get the job done without breaking the bank. I mean, who needs a luxury car for their phone when a trusty bicycle can do the job, right? So what are you waiting for? Don't risk that expensive repair bill or worse, a permanently damaged phone. Grab one of these cases and give your iPhone 16 the protection and style it deserves. I'll drop links in the description below to make it easier for you. And hey, before you go, don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and hit subscribe if you want more tech tips and reviews just like this. Comment below and let me know which case you're rocking, or if you've got a better suggestion. Who knows? I might feature it in the next video. Stay safe, stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.